In today's video, I will cover the risks associated with lack of sleep, also known as insomnia, and strategies for improving sleep hygiene. But first, I want to share a cautionary tale with you about a close family friend named Vitaly. Vitaly was a Russian immigrant who came to America to pursue the American dream. He was a hardworking man, always striving to provide for his family. As a radiology technician, he often worked overtime shifts in order to make ends meet. He was known for saying things like, "I'll sleep when I'm dead," as he bragged about only getting 3 or 4 hours of sleep a night. While Vitaly was approaching retirement, he was excited to finally be able to relax and enjoy his pension at 65 years old. Unfortunately, 2 months after retiring, he suddenly dropped dead from a heart attack. Despite many of his coworkers and health professionals warning him about the dangers of lack of sleep, he never cared to listen. It's likely that his lack of sleep played a significant role in his early death. So what are the health risks associated with not getting enough sleep? Lack of sleep has been linked to a number of serious health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and even stroke. It can also weaken your immune system, making you more prone to illness and infection. In addition, lack of sleep can lead to impaired cognitive function and a decreased ability to concentrate and make decisions. I was very upset and surprised when I heard about Vitaly's death, because I also worked night shifts and had trouble sleeping. I realized that I needed to fix my insomnia ASAP. It was important to me to be there for my family as long as possible. Here are the specific strategies I used to enhance my sleep quality and regulate my circadian rhythms. 1. I stuck to a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This helped regulate my body's natural sleep-wake cycle. 2. I created a relaxing bedtime routine. For me, it consisted of reading a book and taking a warm bath. This calmed my mind and prepared my body for sleep. 3. This part was difficult, but I avoided screens for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted by phones and laptops can disrupt your sleep cycle. 4. I made sure my bedroom was cool, dark, and quiet. This environment helps with falling asleep because it makes it easier for the body to relax and produce the sleep hormone melatonin. It also reduces distractions that can disrupt sleep. 5. I started using a full-spectrum magnesium supplement to help relax my muscles and improve my sleep quality. I started taking it to ensure that I could sleep soundly, even after a stressful day at work. With that being said, I hope these tips will help you get the restful sleep you need to stay healthy and happy. Remember, I felt it was important to listen to my body and prioritize rest in order to avoid the same fate as my dear friend Vitaly. And don't forget, on days when I was having a rough time and struggled to fall asleep, I didn't hesitate to use a natural sleep supplement like a full-spectrum magnesium. While it's not necessary to use a supplement like this, there are many benefits to taking a full-spectrum magnesium supplement in general. Remember to keep fit simple by prioritizing sleep. Thanks for watching.